Here's another version of calipers. And these calipers can measure bowls up to 24 inches in diameter. And they open up quite a long ways, which is nice to get into areas that this wouldn't fit into. Other things that are handy to have, vernial calipers. This one is a dial caliper. And for those of you like me, might be math impaired, this is digital calipers. And the nice thing about this is if I have trouble calculating between inches and fractions, it will tell me what the measurement is in millimeters, inches, and fractions. And last but not least, a turning smock. Wood chips can go all over the place, and it really isn't very comfortable to have wood chips down your back. So a turning smock keeps those wood chips out of my shirt.